Okay, next one. Once it is done here, it will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes. On the other side, this is for n equal to how much? The other one that I want to write here is that for n equals to 4, because it differs. For n equal to 5 means it will be an odd number, whereas n equal to 4 means it will be an even number. So here, how much? What it will be? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the pattern I need. Yes. For this particular pattern, how to do it? First, we will deal with that side. Means n equal to 5. N equal to 4 anyways, we will get to know once if we get an idea of that one. Okay. So now here what I should do in first row, I need not do, in both the cases, I need not do much changes. I just want C equal to, not I, 1. Because by default, if I consider n equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, whichever, first value will be starting with 1 only. So I'll consider 1. If you have 1 and this is your nothing but, someone is on unmute, please mute yourself. Okay. So now if I have 1, if I have the C value as 1, how to print these values? I believe all of you know. C plus J minus 1.
हाँ हाँ बस गैस पूछना है अच्छा
Sapna, should I inform you to mute yourself? Okay. Stop here. If I have 1 and J is also starting from 1 only. Okay. 1. So if I want to get 1 only, how can I do it? C plus J. Why I am doing, I believe all of you are aware. Why I am doing C plus J? The reason is that as and when I increment the column, the values are also getting incremented. So C plus J I have done. If I do C plus J, 1 plus 1, it will become 2. But do I want 2 in first place? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 minus 1, 4. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. That part I believe all of you came to know. I mean, all of you are clear, I believe. Next, how can I get 11 using 1? How can I get 11 using 1? Fine, plus 10. 1 if I have, how to make it 11 if you ask me, we should add 10. Can I write 10 directly? Can I write this as 2n? Means what? 1 plus 2 star. Yes, it will work. Have patience. Now you will get 11. Okay, anyways, here what I am going to use C plus 2n. If I use this, I'll get 11. If I get 11, how to get these values? I believe all of you already know it. Yes, what I should do? Sorry, C plus J minus 1. Same formula applies here as well. Okay, if I want to increment, first task for you is to get the C value. If you get C value, how to display these values? Anyways, by this time you should be knowing it. Next what? Here. Now you assume that you are having 11 here. How can I make it 21? 11 I have. How can I make it 21?
Last one, sir.
5 plus m.
Sorry?
The 3 into 5 plus m plus 3 into
11 plus 2n, sir.
5 plus m plus
3 into 5.
15.
Uh,
15 plus 5 plus 1.
How will you write it? Sir, that and all don't ask that.
I
11 I have. How much I need extra?
10.
10. How can I get 10? Here also I should be doing. Sir, same thing, sir. You write the program directly. Anyways, we got the logic. 100%. No. Till here you got the logic because if you observe, 10 is incremented, 10 is incremented. But now comes the scenario where you have to decrement it. Okay. Next what? Again, here also, if you observe, first I'm checking with n. N if it does not work. I if it does not work. J also if it does not work. I plus J, I plus and J plus I, J minus n, J plus I, J minus I. All these cases you should check. Okay.
3 minus
Louder. So see, it is quite simple. It is not about throughout this line. Until you change, C value will be same only.
yes sir.
If I assign 10, okay, and if I don't change the value, what will be the value of C?
10.
10 only. Same way. Here also I have assigned the C value as 1. Till here, did I change it?
No, sir.
Here I changed it to C plus 2m. Why I changed? Because I want this value now in the beginning. So when I should change the value of C? Inside each row in the beginning, first I should change, then only I should proceed.
Yes.
Should I directly proceed with these values? Will I get 11 directly then? Again, here also I will start from 1 only if you don't change. That is the reason I'm changing first and then I'm proceeding. But however, throughout this row, what is the value of C? 11 only. I'm not changing throughout the row. Once I change and it is done. In complete row, I'll use that same value of C and I'll keep printing the values. So now this is done. However, here I want 16. How much I want? 16. Using how much? How can I get 16?
Yes.
I'm not asking formula. How can I get 16? Minus 5 I should do. It is nothing but. Yes. Again, here I do have 16 and I want. How can I get 6 using 16? What is that? Again, as I've already told,
C minus 2n.
you be on mute. Whosoever answered now, be on mute. Ankit. Once if I ask you to be on mute, please mute yourself. Next, this is also done, sir. If I get 6, okay, here I should change. I mean, after this, I should change. Okay, by this time I am having 16. So here I should change it to C minus N so that you will get 6. Sorry. Fine, I have written it, but here it got mistake. As if you are saying logic only, I explained wrong. So 6 if you get. How to get these values? Again, it follows the same step. What is it? C plus J minus 1. That's it. Program is done. But
How to write for this right, you can write it by the formula greater than. But when 7 comes, it has 3. Second one it has 2 for.
sorry.
For 7,
Huh.
how it will work?
See, ultimately, if 7 is coming or if 4 is coming, point is valid enough. Okay. But one thing I just want to say, it follows the same rule. Maximum. If you are giving it as an input, any input if you give, I've considered the input as 5. If you are giving as an input, max to max, what you will give? Either you will give odd number or you will give even number. Now we have seen for odd number. We should see for even number. Okay. And both together. Okay. Mixing both together, I should write one program. If I am able to merge both the scenarios and able to write one program, which means it will work for all the cases by default, because maximum you will give even number or odd number. If you give even number, it should be following this case. If you are giving odd number, then it will be following that case. Apart from that, any other case will it come?
No.
By default, no. Okay. So now here, C value initially will be, this will be your
6 plus 1.
By this time, anyways, writing these C values is of no use because already by this time you would have got what exactly I'm trying to do here. So, however, still I should do it because just by writing this much does not mean that you got the logic. Logic you got, but how can I, include or implement the same logic in a program? That is quite different, I feel. That too in this program, quite more different. Okay. So next, I have 1. I have 1. I want to make it. Just tell me what I should do.
Plus J.
Plus 8 I want to do. How can I get this 8 is the question. 1 I need not get because 1 is always 1 only. How can I get 8? In this case, it is 2n because n value here is yes.
Yes.
Now I have 9. I want to get
Plus
plus C is 9. 4 is nothing but
C plus 2n.
2n. Huh? Someone told 2n. Sir. I'm asking them.
N. Sorry, N.
It is n. Next, what I am having 13. Patience. Okay, I'm having 13. I want to get 5. Sorry? Minus n. Okay, 2n. I'm sorry. 2n. So 4 2s are 8. 13 minus 8 is done. Done. That's it. Now, it is your duty to merge all this in a program. See, I wanted you to do this actually, but if I give entire day also, it is not sufficient. If I give 2 days also not sufficient, you will not do it. So from my side, I'll do my duty. Those who are really listening, those who are really trying, they will anyways try to do it by themselves. Okay. By this time, if they have really understood, they will start thinking, how can I merge both in a program? See, only one thing you should observe here is but at least whenever the sequence is varying or in a random sequence, it is printing the program. What you should do? First, you get this value. Okay, and keep that value stagnant and continuously print that all the values in that row. And whenever you are changing the row, then you change the value of C. Got my point? For what I should change? For next value in next row. Means first value in next row, whichever is there. To that you should change. How to change? That is what the logic you should find. Don't write. Don't write. Okay. Now, how can I implement this in a program? First only.
Then our input is not number or given here.
There only.
Yes.
That is also there, but okay, that is not the case. What I'm trying to say is, for which one I filled? Whichever. What I'm trying to say is, first thing, all of you know for sure one thing, that is okay. And next, yes. Some of them, blindly sitting and saying yes also. Will it be I? Done. This much for sure we should do. Yes or no? Next, inside this, what I should do? Every time I should do same. Yes. But if this has to print, first C value should be available.
Yes, sir.
What is C value here? I don't know. So here I'll write. Which means whichever input you give, according to this program, first row will be printed perfectly.
Yes, sir.
Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
First row, if you are giving NR5 or NR4, irrespective of that, it will print first row. That is the reason. According to what you told, that is the reason I'm not checking it here. According to the program only you. Okay, first you want one value as C, and that by default, by manually yourself, you assign it to 1. And first row you will print also, because for printing first row, I don't want any extra changes. So print that first row also. And then before you go to next row, start changing the conditions. Getting my value point? Okay. So next here, I don't think place will be sufficient here. So I'll proceed ahead that side. Okay. If you want, here you can write system.out.println, or otherwise at last also you can write system.out.println. But be careful. Did I close the outer loop? 100% till now, I have not closed outer loop. Outer loop is still open. Means inside that only, I'm doing some more tasks. Okay. So however, I will write here itself, because after this, what I'm going to do, I'll go to next line. And in next line, I should change the value of C. For that reason, I'll write see, as I've already told, even this program I have not biased. I'll see only question. And according to that, in front of you only, I'll develop logic. That is the reason sometimes it will go wrong also. Okay, that's quite common. I don't want to bias these programs, and anyways, I'll not do it. You also should not do it. So try to understand it. Now, I am also thinking, you also think what I should write now. Okay. Overall, now we came to know that we should do C plus N in some case. One case for sure will come in else. Okay. There are some specific cases where if should work. Means C plus N should work only in some cases. See, minus n should work in some cases. That part you analyze first. Okay. So now same thing if I have to write here. In some cases, I want to do C equal to C plus n. In some cases, I should do C equal to C minus n. In some other cases, I should do
C plus 2. C square to C.
program is over, provided if I fill those conditions. Okay. So now what we should check is where all I'm using C plus n, because now I want only C plus n. So now my duty is to check where all I'm using C plus n. Please check where all I'm using C plus n. So if you observe, in this not using only, great, this one. So when I'm using C plus n, when the first condition that you should keep it in your mind, say I choose whether it is that side or this side. That side or this side means what? Whether the number is even or odd. This side means it is even number output, that side means odd number output. Yes. So this side I'm choosing means
The number is odd.
first case. Directly you can clearly write it. That is
I greater than n by I is greater than
if you write I greater than n by 2, then probably next time, whenever you give the value as 6,
for the last one.
I greater than n by 2. Greater than n by 2 means it will work for this one also, and this one also, this one.
For that we can give I is equal to n. Last line.
No, for this one we can give, but first only it will satisfy, right? How exactly if and else will work, please understand. You can give another condition that is true, but whatever condition you are saying, according to that, for this one, what you said,
I is equal to n.
but don't you think that will get satisfied in first one only? That is the reason while writing the condition, what I'm trying to say is, while writing the condition, make sure that which one should work first time itself. Okay. At last, what I'll do, at last, if nothing is working, then C minus 2n should work. In similar way, C plus n, only in specific places. When you say specific places, which places? In such a way, other cases should not satisfy that. Okay. Now, if you are writing C plus n for this one, it should work only for this one. You should write condition in such a way it should work only for this one. If other values are coming and checking the condition and if it is satisfying, output you will get in different way. Getting? So now I want to do it for this one. What is this? I value is 3. Means what? How can I get 3?
N minus
N minus 1 also you can get. But if you do n minus 1,
1.
because if I give other values, okay, like 6, then it will do for 5. Okay, so what I'll do is, I less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1 or I equal to n by 2 means how much?
2.
2. 4 is there. 2 I'll get 2 plus 1. By default, it will be there. What is it?
I is greater than n by 2 and I is lesser than
I is greater than n by 2.
I is lesser than.
According to what you are saying, you are considering only 4 rows, which means if you have 6, then
5 up to 5 below.
okay, then I should write 6th case also. Okay, I'll write it here. Then it will be clear, I believe. Of course, don't mind that. Well, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Here. Once I'm done with this line, I should come to next line. How can I come to next line's n value is? Well, plus 1. Again, 13 to 25. 30 to 23, it is
3 plus 2 is
again same thing. Sorry? Ah, let us see. If it works well, well and good. Huh. So much difference is there means by default it is C minus 2n. Yeah. 2n. No? Yes or no? However, that is the reason I told you. See here, C plus n, where it should work, and there is no space for writing the row numbers here. But however, this will be your first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row. So now if I say 6 by 2, 3 plus 1, working? That is the reason I told you while finding it, make sure if you're writing one more, expression, I mean for one more value, if you're writing complete pattern, totally fine. But you should get the output in one go. Okay. So here, if you observe, this will it work as he told, there are multiple cases. Okay. Which again, if he said or if I said, and if I want to do another logic, definitely we can find it. It will take time, but definitely we can find it. What I am taking here, which is easiest one, easily visible. Okay. If you observe, I want C plus n when I value is 3. Okay. Means what? 3. How can I say? N by 2 plus 1. Directly I have written here as. Right? Here. Should I write else? Else if. Else. What I should write there? I don't know. I mean, I don't know as of now. I should also check. Should I write? Okay, C minus n, right? First thing is for sure, it will come only in odd number. Here is it coming? 100% no, which means by default. This condition for sure is clearly visible. If you observe here in this number, anywhere am I finding C minus n? Here am I finding? Only here I am finding. Means what? C minus n will come only in odd number. Okay, n I have done, right? Next. First condition, anyways, it is quite easy to write. Second condition, what I should write? Again, same thing.
These n by 2 means 2 will come, sir. For 5 n by 2, 2 will come. Plus 1.
So again, I feel for this one also, I should take one more case. 7. Of course, it looks difficult in that case for writing. Should I write till 7, sir? But if you write 7, see this one, don't you think it was clearly? That too, you will be confident that in one go you can write directly. This only will be the value. It takes time, but Anyways, you are not writing, right? I will write. Any issue if I write? If you say if you have issue also, will I listen? Anyways, no. So it will be, I need space for condition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry? I didn't get you. How much? We are following that particular way because for our confidence, that's it. Okay, it is not that I'm doing that or this. Here, when I wrote this one, am I doing this one or that one? Which one? I mean, this one or this one? Both it satisfies. I told you before itself, we are supposed to write condition in such a way it satisfies for all the values. If I want to write it only for this program, only for this value, or only for this value, will it take this much time for me? In one go, I can write when I know the logic. But we are supposed to write because whatever tool you will get, I believe some of you already know it. Whatever tool you will get, tool if you get, that is the best part, I'll say. Some of you think that if it is direct interviewer, it is easy. If it is direct interviewer, it is difficult. Because for direct interviewer, you cannot cheat. For tool, you can cheat. It is quite easy. Some of you think it is reverse way. No. For tool, you can cheat. Directly, you cannot cheat. They will get to know. Tool, what it will check? It will check the logic. Is it working? Fine, done. Okay. Means simple for every values, it should work. But direct interviewer means they will definitely ask what you have written, why you have written, how you have written, explain that, this, etc. things. But tool, and in the end, they will only check your report. When you're writing through tool, do you think they will open the code and ask, or code and check the code, each and every code? Directly, they will not see the output also, report. One report will come, pass, fail, or score will come. Based on that, they will check. That is the reason I'm trying to say, please try to write your programs in such a way it works for all the values. Okay, if you give max to max, what you will give? 10 you will give, or 11 you will give, or some random number you will give. What that number can be? Either it will be even or it will be odd. Apart from that, is there any other in-between options? Same thing I also have written. If n is even and if it is equal to by 2 plus 1, then do plus n. Because throughout the program, if you observe, I have used plus n in this place, in this place. That is nothing but by 2 plus 1. Which by 2 plus 1? N by 2 plus 1. And here, quickly, it is here 1 to 15. 15 means by default C plus 2n. This one also C plus 2n. Here, again, this is also incrementing only, right? This one, n is 7. 7 by 2. How much? 3.5, sir. Wow, amazing. Integer by integer is always integer only. It will never come float. Okay, even if you are getting float, truncate that part, means delete that part. Now you got 3. 7 by 2 is 3. Okay, so 3 if you get, then what I have told according to logic, 3 plus 1. Sorry, where it is? This one only, right? For n equal to, okay, I'm dealing with odd number. I check for even.
Even number directly we can take it.
I checked for even. And in even I got, sorry, this one I'm dealing.
Yes, yes, all of those are
In odd number.
both right.
Okay, this one is already clear, right? This one is already clear. This one we are done. Okay, I got confused with this one. I thought we are doing with this one. So anyways, here, C minus N. I should get this one. And here,
That is to M.
sorry. This one is C minus N or plus N or minus 2N.
C minus 2n.
Anyways, from 36, I want to go towards 22. 36 is there. 22 I want as an answer means.
To M.
7 2s are 14. 36 minus 14. How much? 22, sure. So C minus 2N. Okay. Now you have 22. You want 8. What you should do? Minus only you should do, that is for sure. How much minus I should do?
2n.
Yes. Then here also I should make use of.
C minus 2M.
So now
C
you check
minus 2.
where all you are getting C minus here. I'm getting only once. Lesser than you cannot write, because if you write lesser than, then it may work for all the upper parts also.
We can make a starting point by 2.
In between only once it is coming, right?
N minus 1. N minus 1 less than. Up to 5 it will work.
You see this one. This is your C minus N and that is your C minus N. Whenever N number is, N value is odd, first condition, and in second condition, it should be less than this one and greater than this one. Something like that, can we make it? No, because here if you observe, that will not match. Right? Here it will not work out. Less than, you should write this one, you will write less than this and greater than this. But in between C minus 2N is also coming. So what I should do? So if I consider N by 2 by any ways, can I match it? N by 2, how much it will be? 3. For all the values, will it work out or not? Here, I mean 3 is not 3 directly. Wherever N by 2 you will get. See, by default, one thing you should understand, wherever N by 2, till here N by 2 will be there. Till here anyways you are incrementing only. Yes. Yes or no? After that, I am going to decrement. That too, N minus 1, C minus N is coming only once if you observe in the diagram. Here also it is coming only once. I need not think so much. Right? So what I should write there? First we will write. As I've already told, it is not that I am writing it by directly, I am not writing it. We'll write. We'll check. If it works, fine. Well and good. If it is not working, fine. That is also well and good. So what I should write then? 3 means what? N by 2. N by 2 plus 2. We'll check. We'll check. I'm not, surely saying that it is right. I'm going to check. So here it is.
I equal
So I equal to
N by 2 plus 2.
when it is odd. When N value is odd, this one and this one, now you compare this one and check is it matching for both. And I value should be N by 2 plus 2. If I give 5, okay, 5 by 2 is 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 is
4.
and here 7 by 2 is 3.
3 plus 2 is 5.
3 plus 2 is 5. Got it?
Yes.
At last, what we will do is we will consider one new value. Okay, 2 new values, that is probably one even number, one odd number. And we will, according to the program, we will start generating the pattern. I'll consider the value and I'll generate the pattern. Here, what I'm doing, I have written the pattern. According to that, I am writing the logic. Later, I'll consider the value. According to that, I'll generate the pattern. Okay, that will clear your doubts.
7/2 is equal to-
Hmm. So as I've already told, in this case, where I want C minus N, you tell me.
Nine.
In 5, I want, how can I get 5? See, don't consider only this case. C minus N in this one as well as this one. Because this is also odd number, that is also odd number. This is for 5, that is for 7. Here where I'm getting in 4, I want C minus N, and same C minus N I want in 5. This is when N value is 5. This is when N value is 7. Whenever N value is 7 in 5th row, I want C minus N. Whenever N value is 5 in 4th row, I want C minus N. How can I get 4 when N value is 5? How can I get 5 when N value is 7? How can I get it? That is the logic here. For that, what I have done? N by 2 I have done plus 2 I have done. So N by 2 means 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So I'll get 5. Next time, 5. 5 by 2, 2. It is not 2.5. 5 by 2 is 2. 2 plus 2,
4.
so next. Online, are you guys understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, some of them are writing in chat box. You can unmute and speak if you have any doubts online. See, whenever someone is on unmute, just let me know. Of course, I'll be hearing that, but still, if I don't listen, you just unmute and speak and let me know so that I'll ask them to mute. Got it?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Great. For this, should I write any conditions?
Now,
Anyways, it is else part. We need not write condition. What about this one?
something both odd
Anyways, it is coming in both odd as well as even. Where it is coming?
and 4 and
It is coming up to N by 2, I can say. Here, if you consider 4, up to 2, it is coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here, if you consider up to 3, here 5 by 2 is
2.
5 by 2 is 2. Okay. So in that case, we may have to,
Another
this is odd, then that will be odd, right?
correct, it's symmetric, but we need to write 2 like this.
Less than or equal to N by 2 plus 1 also we may have to write.
Yes, sir. 2 is it? Not for, yes, it.
Let me check. I'm not finalizing it.
And not else on this. Wait, before it goes to 0.
No.
Sir, so write I greater than 1 and then I less than or equal to N by 2.
Why?
So first is the-
That is what I told you in the beginning. I told you it will, if you are saying with respect to I equal to 1, whatever condition you told, I understood your point. That is basically for that will get satisfied in any of these two only. First time I want one, anyways, that will get printed here itself. Okay, and then for second row, it will check that. For first row, will it check any of these logic? Directly I have assigned one. It will print it. After that, when it should go for next row, there it will check all these conditions. Clear? Just check, is it matching for all the cases?
Only for odd number.
Here, n by 2 means 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Till here. Less than or equal to. Anyways, already I have written condition for C plus n. So you need not worry. If you are getting C plus n after this, you need not worry because this condition anyways will get satisfied in the beginning itself. So it will never come till here. Okay. So it will work. For this one, it will work. Which means, if I'm not wrong, it should also work for this one. Okay. 6 by 2, 3. 3 plus 1 I have told, up to 4. Anyways, plus n is there. Plus n would have already got satisfied here itself.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Whenever, see, I value whenever you get as 4, then you need C plus n. That is what your doubt is, right? Sir, according to what you are saying, it will make it as, which one? C plus 2n, no, sir. No, it will not do it. Why it will not do it? Whenever I value equal to 4, okay? First, it will not do any of these. Okay, it will start checking from here. Okay, don't you think that condition will get satisfied here itself?
Yes.
What is the value here? 4. Yes. Is the number even? N value is even. And I equal to n by 2 plus 1. Is it true?
Yes.
Yes. Then don't you think it will do this one?
Yes.
First, this will encounter. That is the reason it will do this one first. And then it will do this one. It will not even execute this for 4. Got my point? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
That once I start doing iteration, then you will understand. Dry run if I do for new pattern, if I create it, there you will understand. As of now, just have patience. Okay, C minus 2n. Anyways, it is a else part. If is not working, if else if is not working, if else if is not working, at last, else will work. Okay, assume that. My only question is, here if condition satisfied, will it go till here? This much only I want, whether you know this part or not. You know that part? If this condition satisfied, will it go till here?
No, sir.
No. Online, is it clear? Chat box is open. Can anyone make a dry run? Don't write the program. Dry run in the sense, take one new value of n. Some of you do it for odd numbers. Some of you do it for even numbers. And check, is it working for all the logic or not? Didn't get what my point is? Start executing this program considering one n value. N value, don't consider lesser values. Consider some greater than what I have done till now. So that I will get to know, okay, it works for those values as well. Do it for greater than 7. Okay, any value greater than 7. That is 8 and 9. Some of you do it for 8, some of you do it for 9. All of you do it for 9. I'll do it for 8. No, I don't want. All of you do it for 9 because even number, you feel bit easier, which I don't want to give. Online, got my point? Sorry? I just have one doubt whether n by 2 plus 1 will it work? C plus 2n, right? I will check it anyways. N, which means it will work for everything by default. Here you can see 4 is working, 6 is working, 8 if it works. It works for everything. I mean, every even numbers. No, odd number also. Should I erase it? Now the question is, you guys didn't copy it. You write it, no, later by yourself. Why should you copy? You can write it by yourself, right? No? Then where I should write? That side, huh? Such a good people you are. For your task to be easy, you are making my task difficult. Great. N value equal to 9, all of you are doing, right?
Yes.
According to the logic. Don't see here. Anyways, I'll just. Here it will be difficult. Cannot write till here. I can write there. What I'll do is I'll try to adjust it this side. Okay. Here is it visible? Vinith, in camera, is it visible to you?
No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. You start doing it. So n value, if I consider it as 8, okay. First time, C value will be I value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, as well as 8. So first time, I value is 1. So C value, I am making it as 1. And I equal to 1, I'll also this one, I1, J equal to this one also fine. So C value is 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those who don't know what I asked you to do, only those guys you listen. Those who know what you should do, then keep doing. Don't see here. Those who don't know, only you can see here. So 1 plus 1, 1. Sorry, 2. Minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Don't expect me to explain.
Then I is equal to
Then I value will be incremented to 2. Okay, I value will be 2 this time. Before that, I came to next line. So cursor will be here. And then I'll start checking the condition. I value is 2 this time. So n value, is it even or odd? Even. Is it I value less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1? Obviously, no. I didn't reach till off. I mean, till off, if I reach, then only n by 2 topic will come. Till off, I didn't reach. So this one, by default, no. This one, yes.
yes.
Less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1. So I'll do C plus 2n. So according to that, sorry, 8 2
16
16
plus 1.
plus
1. C
C.
plus
C is 1. That is 17 if I get. 20.
Next also C
Again, I value this time is 3. 3 is it matching? By default, no. Okay. So is this one, anyways, it is even number. It is not matching. Means this one by default will not match because n value is odd here. I have written this condition for n value as odd. So this will anyways not match. Left out is this, will it match? Yes. Sir, this also might match. No. Here if it is matching, will it go for this one? That is what I told you. This one will match, which means that one it will not go. So according to that, again, what I'll do is here I'll write C plus 2n properly. And C value this time is 17 plus 2 star 8. 17 plus mathematics. 6, 12, 32 plus 33. It should be 33, right? 36. 15 twos are 30, 16 twos are 32. 32 plus 1, right? Anything, I mean, I have written, but some doubts here. So it is C equals to
33,
and
34, 35, 37,
some of you will be like, sir told me to do the logic here. So I'll keep doing each and every value. C plus J minus 1, C plus J minus 1. First value is our biggest task. If you get first value C plus J minus 1, anyways will work. That you need not check. Okay. I feel like first we should write the pattern so that we can correlate easily whether I'm getting proper output or not. Anyways, we'll get to know that at the end. Okay. See, by default, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This one is right. Okay. 24 is done. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Till here, no problem. You know why? It is C plus 2a. So till here it is no problem. From here or otherwise from next to next to. Not from this, from here. The problem will start. Okay, actual problem starts from there because all of a sudden reduction will happen. Okay, however, let me check that. So next, for 4. How much I should get here? First, you tell me that.
C plus 2n. 33 plus.
Not according to that, according to the diagram. 40 is done. 40 is done.
49.
So 1.
49.
Next,
49.
this.
49.
So next here. 49, surely.
Yes, sir. 33 plus 16.
Fine. Formula only I should apply at last. So here C value is 33 plus, first I should check the conditional. I value is 4. Okay. 4. Is it matching?
No.
Yes.
Sorry,
No.
is 4.
Fine. N by 2 means 4. I'll first keep that in my mind. Off means 4 I'll get. But plus 1 I have written. So this will not work for, even though number is even, but this is not match. So this one will not work. Then what is left out? This one, will it work? Is there anyone who will say that, sir, condition is true? No. With this one, will it work by any chance? Still, I less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1. Sir, less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1 you have written, sir. Less than or equal to I have written. If you observe carefully. So according to that, 4, is it less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1? Less than or equal to what I'm saying is 5.
5.
4 is less than or equal to 5?
Less.
Of course, not equal to, but definitely less than 5. So here, so 33 plus 2 star 8, it is 33 plus 16, 43, 49. 49 if I get. Yes. Yes or no? Till here, is it working fine? Okay. So next, from here it changes if I'm not matching.
No, not change.
How it will continue? If I continue, it will cross the value. Then condition is wrong. Probably any one of these things. It should not continue anymore. Because 1 to 8. Here I should get 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Here 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So here 41 here I 41, 42, 43, 44, 48. Till 48. From 49, then Up to there and here. I think it is right only. 56 to 57 I should. C plus n I should do. Obviously, right only, right? It is right only. So now we have checked. I value is 5. Just for reference, I have written it here. Okay, I should get 57 here. I should get 41 here. I should get 25 here. I should get 9 here. This is the process. So don't go ahead. Just wait with me. So you have 57 I should get, and I have 49. I value is 5. Which one is satisfying? You check. I value is 5 and n value is even. N value is even. Okay. I value is n by 2. 4 plus 1. I value is it n by 2 plus 1? Yes. Then I should follow C plus n this time. So here I don't want this. Rather I want. So C value is 49, 59 minus 2, 57. I mean, my way of addition is different. It's up to you how you add it. 57. C value I got it as. Okay, fine. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Sir, we are not understanding what you have written, sir. Don't understand. Who is asking you to understand? See, what my point is that these are values also, if you want to understand, if you want me to explain, then better I'll stop teaching itself. Okay, because same thing. Continuous. I'm worried only about this value. If I get this value, C plus J minus 1. Okay. Later at some point of time, it so happens that you will get used to it. C plus J minus 1 means by default it will increment. C minus J plus 1 means it will by default decrement. Anyways, stop here. Next one is 6. For 6. That one means which one? Okay, so now 6. N value is even and I value is 6. Is it matching anywhere? Check. N value is even means this one. Is it matching with 6? No, which means this one is not the case. Next, N value is odd. First condition if it is false. Second condition, should you check in with respect to AND operators? In AND operator, if first one is true, then only you should go over to second one. If first one is only false, should you go for second one? No. Does not make sense. Next. No? Less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1. I'm asking for others because I can see some question mark in some of your faces. So I'm asking n by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. By any chance, I value, is it less than or equal to 5? I value I'm dealing with is 6, which means this one is also false by default. Last but not the least, which one I should follow is C minus 2n. So now if I consider C minus 2n, all the aptitude specialist experts should answer now. So C value is minus 2 star n is. Sorry. Amazing. We are getting the right answer. Okay. So here it should be okay, fine. Now only. Have patience, no? Next. I value will get incremented to 7. I'm not sure. Still don't come to conclusion. Some of you know, lose your patience. Sir, till here we'll finalize this. See, when you have done till here, what is the point in doing 2 more rows? How much time it will take? Hardly 1 minute. I will take more time because in between I may have to say extra, but for you it should take only 2 minutes. So now for 7, I value is 7 and n value is even. I value is 7 and n value is even. Just check. N value is even. Is it true? Yes. I equal to n by 2 plus 1. Is it true? No. Even if 1 is false, I should go for next.
False.
N by 2 not equal to 0. False. Then I need not check that one. So I less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1.
Yes.
Sorry. Mathematics experts. How much it will be? Got it? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Which means I should start from 25 here. Fortunately or unfortunately, we are also getting the same answer. Okay, if I have 25, got it?
Yes.
Last but not the least, this is my 8th row and I should get the value as 9. I believe I should get, if I go something wrong here, which means logic is still wrong only. Okay, so now I value is 8. True? True. I mean this complete one. No, this one? See minus 2n if I do. 16, sorry. 25 minus 16. Sure, huh? Sure. Great then. Here I should get. So now we should check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 24 after 9, 16, 17 to 24, 25, and then up to 32, 33, up to 40, 41, up to 48, 49, up to 56, 57, up to 64, which means the logic is perfectly right for n value as even. Because n value I have considered here as 8. Can someone please check? I told you, please work out for n value as odd. But is it working fine? Really? Great then. Got the point? Is it clear? I told you this program will take more time for sure because it is big one and much more things to involve and include. Okay, I mean to say 2 things you should write first and accordingly you got the logic either c plus n c minus 2n c plus n minus n c plus 2n c minus 2n I should do, you got to know. But don't you think I should write the same thing in the logic? Yes. And as I've already told, whatever should be working first, that only specific. Sir, in this specific cases, here I have written less than or equal to. But will it work for all the values less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1? No. Because it will work for all the cases which is less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1 is true, provided except these 2 conditions. This will work for all the values less than or equal to n by 2 plus 1 is true. But does it mean everywhere it will work? It will work everywhere except these 2. Means wherever these 2 conditions are true, this will not work. Because by default it will stop here only or otherwise it will stop here only. Will it come till here? Clear with the point? Please check for n value as 9 by yourself. Getting my point? Okay. Probably tomorrow number patterns will get over. What is the time now? Still I have much time, I believe. How much time I have? 9:30. Still I have half an hour. Quickly copy this and please try. If you have already copied, and anyways, copying is not a big deal here. You can copy it from what we say, recording or otherwise snap. Anyways, I'll share the snap as well. Meanwhile, in the time of copying, please try to utilize it for what? For n value as 9. Check all the conditions and generate the pattern. Okay, don't write the pattern by yourself. According to the condition, what I have done here, did I write it by myself? I could have written it directly. I know what I will get. But what I have done, according to, I took one value of n, whatever your compiler will do, same thing I have done. Same thing you should do for n value as 9, because in that, this case will also be true in some places. This one and this one I doubt. This one anyways is true. That one you forget. These two. I doubt it. Did anyone of you check for 9? Working fine? Sure? 200%? I doubt and you are sure. Great. Sorry?
It worked.
It worked. Great. Still, all of you please check it, because I doubt it. Somewhere I am feeling that. Great then. So all those who have tried for 9, that is well and good. Those who have not tried, please try. For n value as 9. Don't copy it. I'll send it in group. You can copy it from there. See, if you look at the program, it looks simple. Just look at the program. Don't see all these patterns. Don't see all these patterns. Just look this program. This one you already know.
Yes.
This one you already know. This one you already know. This one you already know. Means this side nothing. Only 4 conditions I have written.
Yes.
Okay. But it is simple. But in actual understanding is complex. If I give you a program like this, will you understand it? I'll just give you a program. Will you understand the logic? It takes a lot more efforts. Okay. That is the reason. I'll tell you, some of you will be there, sir. Anyways, I have that application. I have internet. I have Google. I'll watch it from there. I'll get the program. But same old program, you check in internet. You will get some other logic also. You will get it. For sure, you will get it. But you try to understand it. Out of 100%, I cannot say everyone will fail. 95% will fail to understand that. Go and check. Okay. So however, quickly copy this, or otherwise try for n value as 9. Online, is it clear? Can I know with respect to percentage how much you are understood? Quickly.
So can I ask something?
Sure.
सर मैं जैसे देख रही हूँ कि अगर n का वैल्यू मैं अगर इवन लेती हूँ लाइक 8 लेती हूँ, तो जहाँ से इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है वैल्यू वहाँ पे c प्लस n लगा रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर c प्लस 2n, उसके नीचे c माइनस 2n. ओके. जहाँ मैंने ऑड लिया है n का वैल्यू, वहाँ पे मैंने बीच में जहाँ से इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है, आई मीन डिक्रीमेंट हो रहा है, वहां से मैंने c माइनस n लिया. तो ये तो मैं डायरेक्टली पुट कर सकती हूँ ना वैल्यू c का.
बट व्हाट यू विल राइट, मतलब क्या लिखोगे? डायरेक्टली तो लिख सकते हैं, बट क्या लिखोगे? वही क्वेश्चन है ना. What you will write is that matters here. You can write. See, as I've already told, n number of logics are there. One of your friend is asking me for n value, for n even value. Okay. The doubt is that before off you told, right? Before n by 2 and after n by 2. See, there might be also a chances, according to her doubt, there might be also chances that before n by 2 means 6 means 3, up to 3 or before 3, directly write 2 plus n, sir, c plus 2n. Okay, it will work. And below that, again, some other way she told, except this one, upper part is c plus 2n, lower part is c minus 2n, provided if n is even. Here also, off means 2. Here I cannot show that because it is very less. Here if I consider up to here, right, c plus 2n. Is this 2n? N it is. This is off. Up to off, except first row. First row anyways you can exclude. Apart from this, because after first row only you will start checking the condition. Above this I'll write for c plus 2n. Below this I'll write for c minus 2n. There might be a chances you can write it. Okay. But again, For including odd number part, that will make it difficult if you consider that way. But definitely you can find some way, you can write bit lengthier program, but definitely you can do that. There is a chances. I'm not sure those who are getting it or not getting it, but from my side, I'm finishing it. That much I can say. And probably tomorrow, number patterns will get over, I can say. And from day after tomorrow, string, which is very important for all of you. String programs. See, in your interview, being frank, no companies will ask you number patterns. Then now you guys will be like, sir, then why did you teach us all this? Okay. But you will definitely get a good grip over the logics. This will make you to think much than string programs. It will be maximum to maximum, reverse or character or remove the spaces, these things only. Kya dekhna hai? So here, what exactly we should do is, please understand, number patterns will make you think better. I mean, your logical thinking will definitely improve compared to before. Okay, I mean, before attending programming class, if I compare that, now at least some confidence did you get or not?
Yes.
All of you. Everyone is busy in writing. As if you don't write tomorrow, it will not be there. Excuse me. Hello. I'm asking compared to before, at least some confidence did you get with respect to programming,
Yes, yes,
with respect to now patterns, if I ask?
yes.
To some extent, I'll not say that all the patterns I have discussed, or you tell me, is it possible that can I discuss all the patterns in class?
No.
By any chance, is it possible? Every day, one or the other new pattern will keep coming. That is practically impossible. So what I can tell you is, using these patterns, one or the other way, still it is not done, one or two more patterns, I'll do it. But using these patterns, by hook or crook, okay, one or the other way, you can get the other pattern, whatever you will get in interview. One or the other way for sure. Till now, whatever I have done. What maximum shape they will give? Triangle, rectangle, or diamond shape. Shape you should know. How to develop it, already you know it. One or the other way, by arranging the values, you can do it. Is it something different? Will they give circle and all? I don't think no one is giving circle. Even if they give circle also, you already know it. How you know it? One big square and edges you should remove. I have told you for triangle also, if you want to reduce one star in each line, what you should do already you know, right? And if you want to make it as a circle, what you should do? One rectangle should be there. First you try it for rectangle. You know rectangle. Okay. From rectangle, start reducing corners. Removing the corners, I think in alphabets part I have done. Yes. There I was removing only one star. Okay. In a similar way, if you remove multiple stars, you will get the circle as well. Nothing much. Okay. I'm just giving you an idea. So anyways, if you are done with this as well, so what I should give next? Simple one only I'll give, nothing much. I know that all of you can do it. Simple one, actually simple one. Okay, in actual it is simple one.
Not visible.
I know that. It is not visible, I know. Really?
One upon another.
Do it, no? What I should do? It is given for you guys. You should do. And again, be careful. Some of you, whatever you will do, fine. Two outer lobes you should use. Fine. Till here, you will increment the value of C and don't change the value of C. Inside this loop, what you should do? You just have to decrement, means C minus J. That also you can use, or otherwise directly you can write C minus minus as well. Both are same. Okay. C minus J plus 1 or otherwise C minus J. Both holds good. And you don't have to change the value. Till here you will print using two loops, that is one outer for loop, one inner for loop. And after that, don't change the value of C. From same value, you should print. Should I write the program for this? You tell me. I'll not write it. Because answer itself, I told you. Overall, I need 4 for loops, out of which one outer for loop, one inner for loop. Inside that, you just have to write system.out.print C plus J.
Yes.
Anything. Both are same. Okay. But there you are changing the value of C itself. Or if you don't want, you can keep the C value as constant and keep changing the inner values. Anything you can do. Okay. So in this loop, what you should do, again, one more outer loop, another inner loop. Inside that, don't change C value. Directly write C minus J, or otherwise C minus minus. You'll get that output. Because till here, if you see, I got 10. Okay. And from 10 only I'm starting, right? Am I changing it from 10 only? Sachin, anything funny? Nice. Yes, sir. Okay, I mean, I'll send the screenshot of it,
That,
which means I'm proceeding ahead. Okay, at least these patterns are done because I should also give assignment, right?
yes, sir.
Just the simple one like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to give one more simple one as an assignment. You can work on it. Take your time, work on it. Okay, so I can erase the pattern, right? At least. Sorry. Snap, you just take it and share it. Two questions I'll give. One easiest one, one medium. I cannot say so much difficult. Average. Difficulty level is average. I can say two questions I'll give. Take your entire day and work on that. Got it? This was, simple only. So simple one like this. Sorry. ना 2 घंटे में हो गया ना. So here, quickly see here. Ah. Sorry. Something is missing. This is difficult one. No? Easy only. Which means next one you should understand. Okay.
Yes.
So next one is
Sir. Yes.
basically I don't like happy faces.
Yes. Two patterns.
Really? Really? Do it.
You can do it, sir. For this-
Here. Just like the previous pattern, you are thinking 2 for loops, outer loops, sir, and it is done. Sorry, 1 outer loop and remaining, just 2 inner loops, it is done. Check. You can do that when it is sequential.
That's a triangle.
A triangle is fine, sir. Observe this. Is it फिर से वही बात. 2 outer loops, inner loops, you leave it. Is it sequential? First you check. When it is sequential, whatever you are telling is easier is true. Do it.
Sir, for this.
Yesterday also it felt the same, right? Arrest this pattern, done, sir. But not so. That is what I'm trying to say. But by looking at it, you will definitely feel this is also easy only. Of course, for some of you, it might be easy as well. But definitely there is some trick here that you should observe. But I'm 100% confident that you will not observe. Okay. Please observe, please be careful. Till 4 you should print and directly you should jump to. And anyways, how to continue you already know. I need not explain. And here 5 to 7 you should print.
First 5 should come.
First 5 should come. Okay. I mean, that is what you should work on. 5, anyways, you can get it. 5 you can get it. Because this pattern, I know that you will do it easily. Okay. Means for this pattern, this one is easier only for you. 1, 2, continuation it is. Okay. But for this loop, you will write the condition. After this one, immediately this one should start from 17. That is the challenge. For this one, what you will write? Continuously, C value.
Yes.
Okay, that you can take. But how many variables you will use? Try to reduce it. Some of you smartly 2 variables I'll use. And you will just keep changing. That is what I'm saying. So please try. Whichever way you will try to do it, all fine. Whichever way you want to follow. Send me the output.
Sir, for the input is for without.
In this one,
If you want to-
I'm saying this is your 5th row. Okay, in 5th row, it will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And in next row, all ones.
Yes.
Anyways, I told you easy, right? I told difficult. This one has difficult, but this is not difficult. This is easy. Okay, and I just wanted to see that happiness. I saw that happiness. Now I don't want it to see, so I've given this.
Okay.
Okay. Again, this is also small trick is that you just have to follow that. But for me to explain that small trick, it will take just 2 hours or 1.5 hours or 1 hour, something like that. Okay. Not 2 hours, probably at least 45, 40 minutes, so it will take. Okay. So please try. Definitely there is one small trick only. If you find that in this pattern is only nothing. Small part. Variables, try to use as minimum as possible. If you try to do it within 1, you don't need classes actually. Okay, exactly. You are a pro, which means you are a pro, but you cannot do it in 1. Then you should attend classes. Okay, great then. Thank you so much for today. Tomorrow we'll continue.
Thank you, sir.
Vinith.
Sir, sir, sir. Sir, sir.